I don't think I've ever done a selfie willingly with my own face. I don't believe in this kind of thing, but I figured we need to show this to people. You need to see that we're humans. So I'm going to pretend I'm a customer. And look what just came in. Let's say your Rocket Kit Hits system. Doesn't have to be Trudeau. It could be Polyev. I really don't care. Reality is, people like this. We make really cool ones. You can have your company name on it. Anyways, you get one delivered. You get it from the UPS truck because we can't trust Canada Post or USPS. Let's see what we got here. Let's get ours into the garage. Do 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 do. Okay. You want to install this in your truck? Then let's do this. Okay, go wide. There we go. See? The shop. Okay. What do we get? In your box, you have a manual. Hey man, I took a lot of, took me a long time to write this manual too. I think I did a good job. Shows you what you get, your parts list, how to install it, right? Different ways to install it, all the different options, blah, 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 blah. And we even include color codes for all the common vehicles to make this easier for you. What else we got here? We have a pack of, no electrician really like these, but press fit connectors, okay, to make your install easy for those who don't know how to solder. We do prefer if you solder though. A little bag of dielectric grease, okay, extremely important to make sure that your connections don't get all corroded in the winter. Some zip ties. And then we have our homemade harness, okay, with a standard 4-pin. This is the vehicle side. The harness is split into two parts, so you go from the center of your vehicle, and then it splits off left and right to the different parts of the vehicle, as listed in your manual. You don't have to use this. This is only if you want to do a bit of a hardwire install to make it a little pretty. And we have a pre-assembled hitch ready to go. We don't always pre-assemble them, but for now we are, while we have time. This just happens to be the Trudeau. You can see we've upgraded. We're now using a solid red material instead of using a clear material with red paint on the inside, so this should last longer, as the sun will cause UV damage over time. It hopefully won't lose its color. And you can see it's been wired up with stainless steel screws. You have a carbon fiber / plastic hitch receiver coupler and pin. And you can see everything is weatherproofed. It's all secured. And there's also drainage holes in the bottom of the finger in case of moisture buildup. And they are one-way drainage holes. Essentially, water shouldn't be able to get in there. And again, our homemade wiring system. So it's a standard 4-pin flat. Inside here, right somewhere in here, there are a bunch of 12-volt diodes designed to make sure that no electrical signal goes from your left to your right, unlike most trailers. So hopefully it won't trigger any warnings on any vehicles. If it does, please let us know. We'll come up with a fix for you. There you go. Talk to you soon.